This is Dennis from PostCard Travel Planning coming to you from the Adventures of the Seas. I'm going to take you on a little tour here of the spa and gym. As you can see, you can pan around here. First off, they have a nice fitness room right here in the middle that has all kinds of activities you can do. They do CrossFit here, they do Zumba here, they do Life Step, and they also have plenty of bikes here if you want to do a cycling course. Right here, a spin class. Plenty of things to do, but I'll give you a quick pan around here of the equipment and machines. Out here we have plenty of ellipticals. Looks like there's at least 30 treadmills, stair machines, ellipticals. I'll pan around here real quick. They have rowing machines. We also have kettlebells if you're doing CrossFit. We can set you up with CrossFit here. Plenty of bands, a couple rowing machines, regular life fitness machines if you want to do a circuit. You can do that too. As a pan over here, you'll see we have plenty of dumbbells here. It looks like they go up to about 100. So if you need to work out, want to enjoy your cruise, work out, plenty of activities here, plenty of stuff to get a workout in. Running track is up on deck 12, I believe. So plenty to do on here. If you want to stay healthy, enjoy your cruise, eat well, come to us, give us a call at PostCard Travel Planning. We'll set you up at 386-383-2472. Once again, PostCard Travel coming to you from Adventure of the Seas, Royal Caribbean's newly renovated ship in Port Canaveral, Florida.